We are gonna be doing a white eyeshadow look. Bam! I'm gonna moisturize my face. Put on some LA Girl Pro Prep. I'm gonna do my brows, but I'm gonna do it in a lighter shade than I normally would do. So like an ash brown, just to give this look a little more zhuzh, a little more oomph, a little more je ne sais quoi. I'm gonna line underneath my brows with Natural Beige in the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm not putting too much of that concealer because I'm gonna go in with white concealer after, so I want that base to be able to pop. Just blend out that bottom concealer. I'm just trying to take my time today because I got a mountain to climb in this mind, this medulla of mine. I'm gonna conceal the top of my brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'm holding this upside down. Now I'm gonna conceal. Am I like low on dopamine right now? I don't know. Now I'm gonna take my contour shade and I'm gonna contour the outskirts of my face while I wait for my concealer to dry. Get that jawline, girl. Yup. All right, time to blend. Blend out that jaw. Get underneath the neck. Underneath the neck, get underneath. I'm like spiraling. We're gonna blend out our concealer. They're like, no, that's too bright. Ah, bear with. If you know where that's from, then I love you. Damn. I feel like I've been blending for a century. Damn. Oh my God. All right, just breathe with me, breathe. I look crazy right now. Yo, can we talk about how makeup is so trust the process? Imagine I was like, and I'm done. Bitch. I'm gonna blend out my nose. I'm gonna blend out the rest of this concealer on my nose. Get that little piece on my forehead. I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. Okay, what now? I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 390. And I'm gonna put it underneath this jaw area. Boop. Boop. I said underneath my jaw. What is this little area? And I'm gonna take that same brush, which is the Real Techniques 200, and blend out underneath that contour. So the same brush that I use for my contour, I'm gonna use to blend out my foundation. It's such a contrast right here. I'm gonna take whatever's left on this brush and blend upward so that we have more of a transition. Next, I'm gonna take my contour shade and I'm gonna contour my nose. A little some right there. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Then we're gonna go in with the white concealer, put it underneath my eyeball. The hose, I'm scaring the hose right now. Just a little. I'm about to go crazy. So I'm gonna put it right here just to create some shadow and dimension when I'm contouring my nose, so it's more defined. I'm gonna blend out my nose contour while we wait. I'm gonna use a different brush. Use this bad boy. I'm blending out my nose contour with the Real Techniques 402. Now I'm gonna blend out my concealer. Just blending outward. Take your time here. Bring that concealer into the inner corner, down the side of your nose, bring it up into the front of your brow, and then you can distribute that white concealer all over your lid. If you want a subtle white eyeshadow look, you can stop here, but shocker, I'm not going to. So I'm just putting extra on my eye. Let it sit there for a little bit. I don't want to put too much because I want it to be easy to blend out. Let this shadow sit. Let this shadow sit. Let this shadow sit on your eye. Let this shadow sit. Let this shadow sit. It's actually not shadow, it's concealer. Conceal and sit. Conceal and sit. Conceal and sit on your eye. Why does everything look like fucking shit right now? It looks good, but my mind is like fucking awful. Like, get out of my head, you little meanie. So fucking rude. Like, have some decorum. Okay, more of that blend so y'all don't freak out, because I know you girls like the tussle, but stay with me. Shit. Now that it's done sitting, I'm gonna blend out the concealer that is sitting on my eye until it gives me like this airbrush look. I'm only gonna blend it out on my lid. I'm not gonna go higher than that. Just a lot of blending at this step. Like, you gotta be patient, bro. Whew. Girl. It's gonna be bad before you get good, okay? Just bear with me, I promise. I know what I'm doing. So I think everything's pretty blended. I'm gonna take a white shadow to set the concealer. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush to set my eyes with a white shadow. And if it creases, make sure you fix that before you set your eye. Now that you set your eyeshadow, you can set underneath your eyes. I'm gonna blend out any concealer that has crease. To set my eyes, I'm gonna take a loose finishing powder. I'm gonna press that powder into my skin. Do you see why I wasn't worried about that white concealer underneath my eye? The trick to not having too bright of an under eye, because I'm a bright under eye girl. I'll always do a bright under eye, okay? I just like how it brings my face to life. Always have a finishing powder that is your natural shade, so that when you're putting all that light concealer on, it's brighter than if you were to put on fawn, like the concealer shade fawn versus natural beige. Where the fuck is my natural beige at? I'm trying to make a fucking point. Oh. Whatever's left over, I'm gonna take and put it on my nose. Set in the high points of my face, forehead. I'm also gonna set where I put that foundation. This is low-key a shimmer. Don't tell nobody. I don't have any white powder, okay? I'm gonna contour my nose with powder. I'm gonna take the Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna take the middle shade, reincorporating my nose contour very lightly. I'm gonna go to the front of my brow and blend in that contour into that eyeshadow so we have more of a transition. Makes that white shadow pop a bit more. Just lightly bring that shadow into the eye look, onto your brow bone and down your nose. And then if you lose that white shadow, you can always put some more to reincorporate it. Yeah, but it does look tea. I am gonna fix the side a little bit because the one side's blurred and then the other side's like, bitch, fuck you, I'm doing what I want to do. Like, girl, we gotta be on one accord. One accord, mama, one accord. I'm gonna bronze. I'm gonna take that. Fuck you. I'm gonna take that middle. I'm gonna take the middle shade in my Black Radiance contour palette. Boop, 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 boop. Damn. It's got a lot of kickback to it. A lot of fallout. Fallout boys. Just gonna start bronzing. Get this fucking piece of hair off my face before I lose my mind. Don't forget to get your jaw. Now I'm gonna contour with this shade. Okay, she's tea. Okay, I'm gonna do a little blush. Y'all know how I do my blush if you watched the last video. I like to mix my translucent powder with my blush. I need a new translucent powder. Y'all, remind me to get that. They're like, bitch, ain't reminding you of nothing. Okay. Don't worry, I'm gonna dull it down, go back in with the bronzer and whatnot. Y'all know how I do. Okay, let's see if y'all can see this. Woo! Y'all see that? Don't hate the play, hate the game. Don't hate the play. I'm trying to focus that blush right on my temple because I don't really like too much blush on me. That's why after this, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna dull it down with some more bronzer. Cause girl, of course, I love pink just as much as the next girl. But all that pink, I don't need all that pink. All right, so now I'm gonna do my finishing touches. I'm gonna add some black to my waterline. Add a little inner corner. I like to extend my inner corner a little bit. I'll put a little bit of that black shadow on my lash line. Who don't love a little black and white? A little black and white, black and white, black and white, black and white. My eyes over here looking like a fucking marble cookie. I want a marble cookie. I love marble cookies. Them shits bang. Yeah, I was on a plane with Dwayne. You could call me Whitley. I go to him, man. Yeah. Making sure the base look good. The base is eating. A little cool tone brown for you. I don't know where they're getting chocolate from, bitch. This is giving hot cocoa before you put it in the cup with the water. This soft matte lip cream in the shade London. It's like a nude. This is like my go-to nude. I'm not done. So I just added a little more black just to give it smokiness. It's time for lashes. Hey, hey, hey. It's tea like this, but I'm a lashes girl, so I'm finna put them lashes on. Sue me. Shoulda, woulda, coulda been me and you. Lashes time. Yeah. I love lashes. Period. Hello. Period. 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 Just doing shit. Damn, I need some food. That must be what's going on right now. Losing it. Baby boy, you made me lose my breath. You ever smell a scent of someone? Y'all ever smell a scent and it reminds you of someone that you don't want to be reminded of? Girl, shit is not tea. Mascara to my bottom lash line. Okay, guys. Okay, I gotta make sure my hair doesn't look crazy. All right, so this is the finished look. I'm thinking about taking some pictures outside, but it's dark and I'm scared. I should do it right now because it's 5 o'clock, honestly, truly. Face is tea. I like it. I feel good. I was crashing out earlier. I felt like the crash out was not warranted. That's how good we did the face today. So, yeah, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. And if you want more videos like this, let me know. And if you want videos that are a little more out of the box, let me know. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh my god, face is tea, hair is tea. Okay, how could you not say cunt? Bye. Love ya. See ya later. See you in the next vid. Tea.